How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Hayden from HHWCUSTOMS.com, and today I'm going to be talking about the Silverado tow truck bed insert that I actually have. This is fully 3D printed, designed by me. It's made to fit directly into the rear of the Silverado, both both the new and the old casting. And it's going to be a direct fit, so you won't need to do any sanding, any cutting, no trimming, nothing. If you're on the stock base, you're completely good. This is just a little look at it right here. You can see this is what you're going to get in the mail when you get it. It is pretty detailed, if I'm being honest with you. I started using this red clay resin because it shows detail a lot more than the gray. In the gray, everything kind of gets washed out. But just look at it here. I think it looks really, really cool. We got a lot of little details going on. We have the license plate up there, the lights, the rear lights. And then this is supposed to be the flashing, rotating bulb bar thing. And of course we have the actual boom and arm and everything like that. And I was originally trying to get this to move, but it was just going to be too many moving parts, and it wasn't not going to be cost efficient or space efficient. Honestly, that was the main thing. But maybe in the future I'll be able to do that. But so that's what you're going to get when you order it. And this is a version painted by Jimmy's Hot Wheels, actually. And this is using Rust-Oleum metallic silver. I think it's the one with like the mailbox on it. And it's really, really cool. And it's really cool. I like the finish of it all. You can see the details a lot more prominent, that's for sure. And then he went ahead and painted this. I don't know if he spray painted this or used a paintbrush, but regardless, I know he used Createx brand paint. And I think it looks really cool. You can see a lot of the little details a little bit more, like this little box on the side and little dots, 3 little dots. And overall, I think it's a really cool design. Here's a good look of it on the computer, just so you guys can see all the detail fully. And now this is what the fitment is going to be like. It's going to just drop right on in. You see, just like that. There is no anything else you need to do. It is going to move a little bit, but every casting is a little bit different, so I had to make sure to account for the different ridges and stuff like that that might be out of place. But you can see it aligns. Obviously it's going to go that way, but on all my other bed fillers I had offered, I have this little slot cut out for that little tank back there, because on the old casting, which this is, it is metal. It's part of the body. You cannot remove it. On the new casting, it's actually part of the interior. And you can go take the interior out and sand that down if you wanted to, which I highly recommend, because I think that's a little dumb. I know what the purpose of it is, but I don't like it for what I do, so I'm just going to complain about it. But that's what it looks like right there. Direct drop in. I like that it fits over the cab, just like the one in real life would be, so you can see it from the front and the rear when the light's actually on. So I think it's really cool. You can see there in the rear. You can see it goes right over that bed too. So, and then we'll go ahead and drop the paint one in just so you guys can see what it looks like here. And like I said, this is going to fit both the new casting and the old casting. I'm going to make a video showing the differences in the new and old casting, but there is definitely a difference. I know some people are getting confused when they order my bases and stuff like that, so I'm going to have to do a video. But basically, to sum it up, it's that metal tank. That's the easiest way to tell. But I have another video coming soon showing the differences and all that stuff, because there's a couple things. But if you guys are interested in these, they are available on my website right now. I believe I have 12 of them in stock right now as of filming this. So go check it out, HHWCustoms.com. I'm also going to have a link in the description below, so you guys can go directly to it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any recommendations for any other 3D prints, leave them in the comments below or shoot me an email, and I'll try and get them done. I'm trying to release something new every single week, so please follow my Instagram, stay up to date, and always check that newly listed tab on my website for everything everything new that I release. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.